Join us on Tuesday, February 4, at 3 o'clock EST for the next episode of the Public Safety Drone Review. This month's discussion will dive into the evolving landscape of counter-unmanned aircraft systems, counter-UAS technology, and its role in public safety. The event will feature Tom Adams, Director of Public Safety for DroneShield, who brings extensive experience in counter-drone operations from his tenure with the FBA. Register here for this free live event presented by DroneResponders in collaboration with DroneLife, featuring special guest Tom Adams, Director of Public Safety, DroneShield. Tom Adams retired from the FBI in 2022 after 20 years of service, where he specialized in counter-terrorism efforts as a special agent bomb technician. In the last 3 years of his law enforcement career, he served as a Supervisory Special Agent in the FBI's Counter-UAS program, leading missions in complex urban environments across the U.S. His extensive experience includes planning and executing counter-UAS operations at high-profile events such as the Super Bowl, World Series, and Rose Bowl, as well as investigating drone activity at critical infrastructure sites. Adams also played a key role in shaping UAS policy, serving on the FAA's UAS Detection and Mitigation Aviation Rulemaking Committee, which published its final report in 2024. Now, as Director of Public Safety at DroneShield, Adams continues to contribute to the advancement of counter-UAS solutions, helping public safety agencies address emerging drone threats. He holds a master's degree in unmanned systems from Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Counter-UAS, addressing drone threats in public safety. As drones become more accessible, their potential use for unauthorized surveillance, smuggling, or security breaches presents increasing challenges for public safety agencies. In this episode, Adams will share insights on current counter-UAS strategies, how law enforcement can leverage emerging technology to detect and mitigate drone threats, and the legal and operational challenges surrounding counter-drone measures. Attendees will gain valuable knowledge on best practices for detecting and responding to unauthorized drones, lessons learned from real-world counter-UAS operations, the role of technology and policy in enabling public safety agencies to effectively manage drone threats. Stay informed and engage. The Public Safety Drone Review provides timely insights on public safety issues, drone regulations, and technology trends. Don't miss this February 4 episode to learn more about the latest developments in counter-UAS and what they mean for law enforcement and emergency responders.